The cryptocurrency industry is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. On 21st January 2022, Bitcoin's market capitalization was rated at $1,072.21 billion. At the same time, many promising altcoins grow even faster than Bitcoin in the first half of 2022. The global market for blockchain technology is estimated to reach a value of $23.3 billion by the year of 2023. These figures provide evidence that cryptocurrencies are booming. Not only to these digital cryptocurrencies offer an excellent investment opportunity, but they can also use the transacting online, sending money, and eliminating the need of a central authority in financial system. While Bitcoin is still the major player in the world of cryptocurrencies, there are other digital currencies they are quickly using. If you are struggling to find the right cryptocurrency of your investment, then you are not alone. Many people who find to an interest in the crypto market do not know where their market should go. Even though there are many cryptocurrencies on the market today, many of these do not provide you with the potential you require when you using the digital assets as an investment. We have taken our methodology factor into account and narrow list down to only the best cryptocurrencies. They are opportunities for investment and trading purpose. Binance Coin. BNB is the official cryptocurrency of Binance Network. The coin is currently valued just over $310. The coin has ultimate oscillator value of 56.19 and a relative strength index of 62.34. Over the past 20 months, the value of BNB has increased significantly from under $20 to over $300. The coin is also backed by over one of the biggest exchange that focus on altcoins. Cardano. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that represents the blockchain platform. Development for platform began in 2015, but the token was only officially launched in the year of 2017. Charles Hoskinson is behind the development of Cardano, who is also a co-founder of Ethereum project. The investment in Cardano only started to rise significantly in 2022. On January 2022, the coin was still valued at just $0.29. Currently, the coin has surpassed a value of $1 per token and continues to rise. Ripple is a digital technology that was created to help streamline online payment solution. The system was developed and released in the year 2012. The distributed open source protocol used in the Ripple blockchain provides instant processing of payment, along with advanced security features. When within the past year, the coin varied in price between $0.70 and $1.96. Dogecoin went through a recent validation and was valued at $10 billion. The coin is based on internet meme and has gained investment from both individuals and corporations. Year to date, the value of Dogecoin has increased by over 7,000%. Polkadot is a very new addition to blockchain and cryptocurrency world, but has already been said the outperformer Bitcoin in same areas. Big institutes have taken notice to Polkadot, and the coin has been referred to as an Ethereum killer. Litecoin is a very similar to Bitcoin in terms of popularity. When people talk about altcoins, Litecoin is often one of the first thought to cross their mind. This particular coin is rated 6, one of the list of biggest cryptocurrencies. The coin was started in October 2011, just after Bitcoin started to make waves. A secret algorithm is used by the Litecoin blockchain, which offer advanced security for both digital assets and transactions. There are on the network. Uniswap. Uniswap was developed to help people escape from centralized financial system. The primary premise of Uniswap is to make the process of cryptocurrency exchange fast. A decentralized protocol is used the network. The coin is currently valued at just over $21 and considering the trend, the value is likely keep growing. Tron is a cryptocurrency written in Java. The system is completely decentralized. The network was developed by the Tron Foundation, which is one non-profit organization based in Singapore. Something has already embraced Tron as the blockchain was added to the officially Something key store early in 2020. While some people turn to cryptocurrencies as a payment method, others want to take advantage of these digital cryptocurrencies as a way of profiting from trending activities. Even though trading with cryptocurrency has become popular, many people still find themselves at a loss. A thorough understanding of the basic, however, can be useful. The buy and hold strategy is not only popular among people who are interested in cryptocurrency but also for those who want to invest in other assets, whether digital or physical. This has been a popular strategy among those who has invested in assets like gold. You would buy the assets at a point where the value is at low point and sell it and the time where the value increase with the cryptocurrency. The same strategy can become profitable. The first step in the process is to identify cryptocurrencies that are increasing in value. Trading is another profitable option. With cryptocurrency trading, you should choose a specific pair such as BNB and Ethereum. You can then open a buy or sell position and close the trade at a portable time. Before you can start depositing money into your preferred exchange, first take a closer look at your budget and finance. You should have a clear understanding of what you can afford, or more specifically, how much you can afford to lose. Any type of investment comes with risks. There are also many people who have lost their entire investment in the past. Avoid investing borrowed funds. It is well known that the cryptocurrency industry is a volatile, with the means is that you could end up losing an investment. For this reason, never use borrowed funds in investment of cryptocurrency. In the case of loss, you still sit with the debt with the made obtain an intentional investment for your portfolio. Many banks or lenders will also add investment to borrowed funds which would lead to more significant loss. Choose the right cryptocurrencies. At the end of January 2022, it was reported that 10,115 cryptocurrencies had been listed in the total. The number is continuing to grow. Some of the cryptocurrencies have made waves, but is not something we can report about every single one. In fact, there are cryptocurrencies that never made waves or did not pick up at all. Investing in these would lead to loss or could put your investment at a risk. One of the biggest mistakes the people often make when investing in cryptocurrency or any other type of assets is to only focus on a single coin. Sure, if the coin rise a lot, you could portfolio significantly, but things could go to the other way too. When investing in cryptocurrency, aim of diverse in portfolio you develop. This means investing in different cryptocurrencies to limit the losses that you could suffer in the process. When you need decide to invest in cryptocurrency, the next step is generally to choose the right exchange. Since there are many exchanges to choose from, you may find yourself confused. Fortunately, some exchanges have a better record and trust history when compared to others. Binance is currently a top-rated exchange that focuses on altcoin. This gives those who want to invest in more than just Bitcoin a great platform. Binance also has its own coin, BNB, or Binance Coin, which is currently valued over $300. Should I buy crypto in 2022? It is true that investment in cryptocurrency can bring about losses, but there are a still great number of opportunities. With the information we provide in mind, it is clear that investing in crypto is something to consider in 2022. If you are afraid of big losses, limit your investment at first. You can choose the diversity your portfolio. This way, losses could be reduced through gains that you make throughout the portfolio. Similarly to other investment opportunities, cryptocurrency certainly does not come without its risk. Understanding these risks should be a critical part of your investment process. The major problem that come with an investment in cryptocurrency is the fact that these digital currencies are highly volatile. It is extremely difficult to predict the future movement of cryptocurrencies. The crypto industry is booming more than even before and continues to grow even bigger with thousands of altcoins on the market. However, finding the one of the worth investing in can be troublesome. Take a closer look at your list to help you determine where you should put your money.